with the queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you dare? I frightened a little mouse under